Hello, welcome to another edition of That Green Vegan 2.0. Today I'm going to show you a drink that you have to put into your life. Okay, so first we're just going to start off with 2 Mylar lemons. You can use any lemons. This was actually given to me from a friend and they're really sweet. So there's no reason to sweeten this, but some people might need it sweetened. But like I said, these lemons are pretty sweet. And we're gonna add some lemons to this concoction that we're making here because lemons are extremely hydrating and it has so much vitamin C. In this time of year, oh my goodness, we really do need that extra boost of vitamin C. Lemons also help with your digestive system and it helps eliminate toxins because everything we do nowadays just has to dealing with something that's not the healthiest. Okay, so I'll just put that to the side. Oh, just 1 second. All right. So now we have our lemon juice and I'm just going to equally put it in fresh lemons. It's very concentrated because it came straight out the lemon. So I'm just going to evenly put a little bit more in these containers. These are actually, I believe, okay, so this is 8 ounces. So this right here, I believe is 2 cups in each of these. So I'll put a little bit more in those right there. Now, in the actual water that was in here, I had added cinnamon water. Now, I didn't go through the process of showing you, but let me get the stick so you can see. So I used these cinnamon sticks. I ordered them on Amazon. They were a little expensive, but you can probably go to your local store and get them. And then I also bought cloves, and when I make my cinnamon water, I make them with cloves, natural, organic. Usually what I would do is just get a pot. I will put in maybe like 4 cups. Now you're going to lose some water because, it evaporates. But then I add in my cloves and I add in my cinnamon in the water and I let it cook for like 30 minutes. Once it's boiled and I let it cook, I will turn it off the heat. I will put a lid on it and just let it sit so it can just get all of that goodness in there. Now, cinnamon really helps regulate blood sugar. And a lot of people don't know that, but it's so good to just eat it in your food. And like I said, I love to drink it because it goes straight into my system. Cinnamon also helps with your digestive system. So if you were to have if you're constipated or have diarrhea, it's really good to either eat some yogurt and put some cinnamon in it, or you could do like me and you could just put it in your water. You can drink it like a tea. Cinnamon also has antioxidants in it, so it's really good with your health. And with cloves are amazing. I think it's one of a very under recognized spice because it helps improve your skin. It also helps with your digestive system, and it has so many great properties to help with inflammation. I also use oil of oregano. I'm gonna put 10 drops in there in each of these because oil of oregano is really good to drink, to take every day because it helps with colds. It has properties in here to help with your cold and with your chest. It also helps with your with inflammation and to cut down and aids with that, to cut down on inflammation. Now, this is an interesting brand because if anyone's had oil of oregano, oh my goodness, it's got the most horrible taste. But this is a child brand, and it's mixed with cinnamon. So it's cinnamon does all this really great stuff for you anyway. Added with the oregano, you can't go bad, and the taste is not bad at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 10 drops I've already like measured it, so this is 1 scoop is like 10 drops, and I'm not quite sure I remember the price on it, but it really helps with the with the taste. And that is what I will drink. These are bigger. I just made a smaller one because I had ran out, but these are really good to drink every single day, and it's gonna help you. A friend of mine was telling me about like vitamins, and I also recommend vitamins because it's really hard to get everything that you need. So yes, supplements are really good. Another thing is and it doesn't have to be this particular brand, but it's kind of like my concoction is almost like a my own version of Airborne, that it has like, because my stuff have vitamins like that comes from the lemons, and then with the oil of oregano and the cloves and the cinnamon. So yeah, but if you don't want to do all this, yeah, I would definitely say try Airborne. It really do work. I've been really good. When I don't take this, I get sick, but when I take these religiously, I don't have any problems with my health. I hope this have helped. Please, if you have any questions, just let me know. And like I always like to end my videos with, health is wealth. Have a great day. Bye.